All right, it's Wednesday, March 6th, just following up on the SPY. As it comes down and kind of takes out this first liquidity area into this gap, I decided to scale out and set up a no risk trade, playing it pretty conservative. I bought the 515 puts at 618. I just scaled out at 680 right up here to kind of set up a no risk trade and just see what unfolds. Ideally, again, we continue lower on this daily chart, take out the halfway point of this day, and project into this, buying tail down here, maybe even an outside day to the downside when it's all over. But since it's technically a 2-up day, coming to the midpoint of that bar, and taking out liquidity, you never know if it might decide to reverse back to the upside and attack that high again and actually have an up day. It's possible. So anyway, I'm going to watch price action closely here, scale out. It's a no risk trade right now. I want to hold the midpoint of that first bar, any kind of pause in here, and hopefully, continue lower along with the bigger picture trend that's in place. And if you look at it, if we're going to go lower, this was the type of thing where we had to push down, take out a little liquidity, and then we kind of start down again before the week's over, because there's still weekly targets, as I've been talking about, taking out the halfway point of the prior week all the way down here. But for now, we had a gap up a little bit, and we'll see. Either this downward move is that's it, and it kind of fails right here, or it kind of pauses and continues lower. But it's at no risk right now, so I'm going to watch that 15-minute chart really closely here, and I just want to see it kind of hold within the midpoint of that first bar and hopefully continue lower.